Hi guys, welcome back to the channel's Dentistry at its Best, and today I will be discussing about the second part of the lateral wall of the nose that will be comprising of the arterial supply, venous drainage, lymphatic drainage and the nervous supply for the same. So coming directly to the arterial supply of the lateral wall of the nose, we will divide the lateral wall again into the four segments, that is the anterior superior, anterior inferior, posterior superior and posterior inferior. We're dividing this area into anterior superior, anterior inferior, posterior superior and posterior inferior. You can remember this in this way, and it is quite easy for you guys to remember, and for me also, like I remember the same in the same way, so I'm telling you that. So now coming over to these arterial supply for the same. Now arterial supply, anterior superior part, this one is, you can say, okay, this area, anterior superior part of the lateral wall of the nose is supplied by the anterior ethmoidal artery plus posterior ethmoidal arteries. So the ethmoidal artery, anterior and posterior ethmoidal artery, supply the anterior superior part of the lateral wall of the nose. Now anterior inferior part, this area, you can say, is supplied by the branch of facial artery. Okay, facial artery, ethmoidal arteries, anterior and posterior ethmoidal artery supplies the anterior superior part, and the facial artery, branches of facial artery, you can say, supplies the anterior inferior part of the lateral wall of the nose. Now posterior superior part of the nose, lateral wall of the nose, is supplied by the branches of sphenopalatine artery. I'm saying again, sphenopalatine artery supplies the posterior superior part of the lateral wall of the nose, and the posterior inferior part of the nose, or I can say posterior inferior part of the lateral wall of the nose, is supplied by the branches from greater palatine artery. Okay, this is what you have to remember. Anterior superior is supplied by the anterior and posterior ethmoidal artery. Anterior inferior part is supplied by the branches of facial artery. Posterior superior part is supplied by the branches of sphenopalatine artery, and posterior inferior part is supplied by the branches from greater palatine artery. Now greater palatine artery pierces the perpendicular plate of palatine bone and passes up through the incisor fossa. If you want to remember, you can remember, otherwise just simple is that posterior inferior part of the lateral wall is supplied by the branches of greater palatine artery. Okay, that is all in the arterial supply of the lateral wall of the nose. Now coming to the venous drainage of the nose, like I have told you in my video from the nasal septum, that veins forms plexus in the nose. Okay, now so this again, veins forms the plexus in the nose, and these plexus drains into following. We have three plexuses: anterior plexus, middle plexus and posterior plexus. Remember it, anterior, middle and posterior plexuses. Now these all drains into as follow respectively. Anteriorly, this plexus forms into facial vein. Posteriorly, it drains into pharyngeal plexus of vein, and middle part of the plexus, it drains into the pterygoid plexus of veins. So anterior, it is drains into the facial vein. Middle is draining into the pterygoid plexus of vein, and the posterior is draining into the pharyngeal plexus of vein. That is the venous drainage of the lateral wall of the nose. That's all. Now coming to the lymphatic drainage, we will divide it into two parts, anterior half and the posterior half. So the lymph nodes which are, it drains into are anterior half of the lateral wall of the nose drains into the submandibular nodes. Okay, and the posterior half drains into the retropharyngeal and upper deep cervical nodes. It's quite simple to remember. So anterior half of the lateral wall drains into the submandibular nodes, which we have somewhere here, and the posterior part drains into the retropharyngeal and deep cervical nodes. That's it for the lymphatic drainage. That's it. Now coming to the nervous supply. Now first thing I will be telling you about the olfactory or the special sensory nerves. In the nasal septum, I must have told you that these special sensory or the olfactory nerves are distributed in the upper part of the lateral wall. In that middle, in the medial wall or the nasal septum also, the olfactory nerves were situated or distributed in the upper anterior part. So in the same way, the olfactory nerves are situated in the upper part of the lateral wall of the nose. Okay, now coming to the general sensory nerves. Now again I'm gonna say divide the lateral wall into 4 parts: anterior superior, anterior inferior, posterior superior, and posterior inferior. So now the anterior superior part of the lateral wall is supplied by the anterior ethmoidal nerve, which is a branch of ophthalmic nerve. Like arterial supply was for anterior ethmoidal artery, in the same way the nervous supply is from the anterior ethmoidal nerve. Okay, anterior superior part of the nasal lateral wall is supplied by the anterior ethmoidal nerve, which is a part of the or a branch of the ophthalmic nerve. Now the anterior inferior part is supplied by the anterior superior alveolar nerve. Okay, the anterior inferior part of the lateral wall of the nose is supplied by the anterior superior alveolar nerve. Now this is a branch of the infraorbital nerve. If you want to remember, you guys can remember it. So this is a branch of the infraorbital nerve, and the posterior superior part of the lateral wall is supplied by the lateral posterior superior nasal branches from pterygopalatine ganglion. Okay, lateral, posterior and superior. So lateral, posterior, superior nasal branches from pterygopalatine ganglion. That is the nerve, that is the branches which supply the posterior superior part of the lateral wall of the nose. Now last, posterior inferior part of the lateral wall of the nose is supplied by anterior palatine branch from pterygopalatine ganglion. Anterior palatine branch from pterygopalatine ganglion. So this is the nervous supply of the lateral wall of the nose. It is very easy if you remember it this way when you're dividing the lateral wall or the medial wall into the 4 parts which I have told you. And trust me guys, it is one of the very important topic, and if you remember it, if you learn it, then it will be very easy for you to just go through it when you're going with the revision. So, and then one more thing, do make the diagrams in your exams. It is very important, otherwise the examiners, they are very khadoos and they will not give you more they will not give you good amount of marks. So it's better you make diagrams and you explain them rather than just writing the sheets and drawing no diagrams. So that is all for the video today. I hope you all will let me know what all topics you want me to discuss after this video, or most probably I will be discussing about the cysts. Okay, that is what I have in mind for the next video, but in case I have some more options given by you all, then I will think about it and I might change it. So let's see, and I will tell you about what will be the next video coming up just on my Instagram page. Also do like the notes which I have shared on the Instagram page, and do follow, subscribe, share and like the page on the YouTube, on the Instagram, and also it's on Facebook as well. So have a great day guys. Thank you.